Alright guys, before the video starts, just know the mic is horrible. Same with the quality, because this isn't my, it can automatically connect it to the webcam. And the webcam is just absolutely garbage, so yeah.
What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are opening Pokemon cards. Why Pokemon cards, you may ask? I don't know, I just like them. But yeah. Alright, let's get into the video, I guess. Alright, so first of all, it comes with 2 Trick or Trades and then 2 other cards. I'll see what those are. And it has a guaranteed card. It might be like an EX. So yeah, we'll definitely look at that. Alright, we'll start ripping. Alright, so I finally opened it. Let me grab the stuff out. Ooh, and that card. Saw yellow on it. Nothing left. Alright, just put this to the side. Alright, so first of all, we got, check the packs. 2, oh wait. Oh, 4 Trick or Treats. I'm blind. And then we got 2 Scarlet and Violet cards. Right here. Oh. Right here. Alright. Before we start opening these packs, let's look at the guaranteed card we got. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Yo, this looks sick. Miraidon EX. Yo, look at that. Sorry for the bad quality on this camera. It's not even mine. But look at that. Looks sick. Alright, let's put this to the side. Now, let's start with the Trick or Treat. So, what we're looking for is Gengar. That's what we're looking for. Oh my god, I suck at opening packs. Zubat. Pikachu. That's good. It's like the second best thing, I'm pretty sure. And a Shuffle. Hope I'm pronouncing them right. Alright. Litwick. Dusknoir. And Drifting. Alright. Lampen. Oh, we got a Gengar! Let's go, it's the most valuable thing in here. Alright, we got a Gengar. Alright, that's nice. Alright, we got Phantom, Dusknoir, and Murkrow. Alright, those were the Trick or Treats. I'm shocked I actually got a Gengar. Alright, now for the Scarlet and Violet, Shrouded Fable 2. Which one should I open first? I'm gonna open this one first.
Oh yeah, and these cards are the ones we're going for. So these cards are the ones we're trying to get. So yeah.
Alright, so I'm opening this one first. And open.
Yo guys, also, once we get 30 subscribers, I'm giving this away. It's the next day, but I'm giving this away at 30 subscribers. It's a new pack. Yeah. So 30 subscribers, comment and like, and tell me, try to explain why you want it, and you might just get it. Alright. And if I get to 50 followers, I'll give away this Trick or Treat.
Alright, let me guess. Fire. Alright. Go on. Zubat. Houndour. Inkay. Rowlet. Eevito. You know what? Hypno. Weevil. Duskull. Fracture. Oh! Monkey Dory EX. Monkey D. Luffy. Monkey Dory EX. Alright. That's our second EX of the day already. Alright. And we got one more pack, guys. One more pack. Let's open it. Let's rip it. Tear it open. Wants it. Here you guys go. Alright, lightning. Alright. Houndoom. Rowlet. Fracture. Persian. How do you pronounce it? Yeah. Crobat. X-Row 6 Mackin. It doesn't matter. Weevil. Janie. Golbat. Cresselia. Oh my. Alright, guys, these are good stuff we got. This Thingy-Mabobber. This Thingy. Monkey D. Luffy. And Gengar. Also, guys, make sure if you want me to keep making videos like this, Pokemon videos or something else, I don't know, comment, like, subscribe. If you subscribe, I can make more Pokemon videos. Please. Please. Please.